Market opens in 3 minutes. So, if you guys watched my last video, which I bet you didn't. I literally said what I wanted to happen. It came down in the new week opening gap, and now we're rotating higher, and hopefully we can come up, take out all these draws now on the higher time frame. Just took out that hourly high. I'm still expecting a continuation, like I'm not even gonna lie. Ooh, those are far away. But like, dude, I want to trade higher. I'll mark out last up before the down. So this is an order block right there. And then the bottom part of this gap to completely fill it, that basically aligns with it. So we got a couple draws. Oh, yeah. And yes. Do we have news today? Tomorrow's a bank holiday, so I will not be trading. The fuck is a bank holiday doing there? And then looking pretty chill. We got. How is July 3rd a bank holiday? Dude, that's July 4th. Am I tweaking? Why are banks closed on July 3rd? That's stupid, dude. Dumb shit. Want to trade? So gay. So gay. So fucking gay. Yeah, so we're at this hourly high, which could be a reversal point, but I don't think so, buddy. I want to trade higher. I wanna trade higher on your love. I wanna trade higher. Bro, low-key, I kind of do think these highs are possible today. I do low-key kind of think they're possible. You cannot dream yourself to notice, to feel pain, to swallow your fear. What can you stay up for? Yep, lyrics match. Bang.
Can you stay up for the weekend and thank God for looking too old? Can you find all that you stand for has been replaced with mountains of gold? You cannot train yourself to notice, to feel pain and swallow fear. But can you stay up for the weekend until next year? God, I can't do this anymore. Though I'll be laid down on the floor, as many feet walk through the door, I'm not alone.
Bro, man.
If I see a light flashing, could this mean that I'm coming home?
My mom just sent me some shit that creatine contains a cancer warning on it. No, it does not. Get made fun of for that video I posted yesterday about staring at a wall for 15 minutes for it fucking works. So we are ejecting a little off this high. I don't see that really impacting us at all. We have a 15-minute gap. We're about to tap into it. Bang, we tapped into it. In the EQ. Yeah. Even an hourly gap, but no, that's a 30-minute gap. So our next low is London low, essentially. My body, maybe it is my belly, maybe it's a lot. We closed pretty bearish through this 5-minute gap. But, oh, I'm still bullish. Just like, look at this. Hourly. Making higher highs, higher lows. This could just be a low on the high time frame to reach this higher. I'm not really caring about this high just cause, dude, to me, the fact that we filled this 4-hour gap, this is now high resistance. This is now high resistance liquidity. We're continuing to, we closed way above this point. Filling gaps, continuing higher. We did sweep. I mean, this is a pretty swing high on crack. But the fact that we're just bullish here, I'm not convinced that we're bearish yet. I think people will get real fooled by a little retrace on the 5-minute, filling this gap and then rotating down, even though we'll want longs. But we are looking pretty bearish as them right now. Maybe it's Jennifer, happy Watella. Oh, I'm not telling her. Maybe it's Ella, maybe it's Jessica. Kisses on my body, maybe it is make believe. Now we're definitely in the hourly gap on, or 30-minute gap, sorry. Let's rotate higher right here. Oh, we also had a bullish SMT off this swing low that I didn't even notice. But that's pretty much not even valid anymore. So all time frames are bullish besides the 5-minute. We did come up with a sweep, but I'm going to disregard that for now. I mean, I'd much rather be in a bullish situation here. Price is looking bearish. The odds of getting entry for longs right now is much lower than an entry for shorts, so I'm protected really no matter what with a bullish bias. Everyone is bearish right now. Now that's how you get fucked, Captain. Fucked. So many times I'm watching you. You go out, feel so lonely, think about me sweetest sweet. You love some guys, follow me, and I take it to my destiny. You're thinking about you all the time. When I keep my love to you, that's a crime. So many times I've been watching you, and now I fell in love with you. Just recording this for the future. If you're looking for shorts right now, you're a fucking donut. Let's see if I'm right, bro. I hope I'm right because I can't record that video. I have to delete it right away. We're coming pretty deep in the 30-minute gap, though, so that's like a bearish sign. Alright, next up. Now it's looking pretty fucking key that we're gonna take out London lows here. Just look at how close it came. Like, wouldn't really be mad if we didn't, you know? Even if there were shorts, I feel like there won't be an entry. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. What is that though? What is Whoa. Why is it lagging? I mean, okay, let's go back. Hourly. We're actually bearish on ES. But we made this bullish SMT off of this swing low. Which technically, I mean, it's still valid, it's still there. So that's like some excuse you could say why we're not bearish. So the higher time frame gap, continuing higher, 4 hours bullish. Yeah, I'm bullish still. I mean, we could come down, take London lows, make a bullish SMT. If we like come up and invert that 5-minute gap, dude, I could just hammer longs, just take a little banger, stops, TP. It's a wide TP though. Or I could target like the internal high. Is there any other highs? Little 15-minute. I mean, these aren't strong. I'll mark them out though just in case. I much prefer to trade. Well, let's take a look at this actually. We're already in the EQ by a lot. Alright, we're probably gonna take London lows on this move. But then that's inside of an hour to get out and shit, and then I don't know, dude. It really didn't. It's still like higher time frame wise, I'm definitely bullish. Like, do I think we could take London? Yes. But do I think that price will want to come down more than that? Hell no, because why would we? This would just be generating liquidity to come higher, and if we do, we should create an SMT off of that. Like diamonds in the light, I was standing side by side as the shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. Whoa! Little bit volatile there, huh? Little bit volatile there. Without love, without all this waste. Shine light through an open door. The heart really bright. So Naz looks like it's gonna come up and take these highs. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't do. Yeah, we did close above, so. Did we inverse this 1 minute gap? No, we held it. I was standing side by side as the shadow crosses mine. So we're kind of dicking around right now. As if we just look, I mean, you kind of have the outline of a penis square. You just need 2 balls. It's a little bit, you see what I'm saying though? Like, it's a little bit like that. So we have this 1 minute SMT. If we want to come higher now, there's potential. Potential. We'll see. Dude, I've seen this shit so many times. Like, genuinely, where we fucking leave a low and I'm in shorts or some bullshit around this point. I would be, like, I just know I've been stopped out by this before. And it always boils down to hourly's bullish, 30 minutes bullish, or only time frame that was bearish was the 5. You know? And then I journal, oh yeah, higher time frame bullish. The sweep doesn't matter because the higher time frame's bullish. Now I know that I have found. No. But like, why is price not delivering in either direction though? That's my question. I mean, like, this could be an entry for shorts, dude. Or longs, I mean. 1 minute S. Jeez, that's a crazy closure. And stops could be even tighter, like here. The only thing that I don't like is that we're in 5 minute bearish. But that's like kind of against my bias. So like, what I would prefer to happen is, I don't know. Like, see, like, my bias is bullish, right? But I'm not super confident that we're not gonna take London lows, because I think we could take these lows to generate liquidity and continue higher, and then that would be longs for sure for me. But as of now, there's just not enough confluence. This 1 minute SMT, 1 minute break. We don't have like higher time frame bullish momentum yet. So this could play out, but you know. To me, it's too risky, especially because I just bought a new account too. But if we tap into the 1 minute on ES and close above these highs, it should be pretty bullish because this is our more bearish index, right? So if we tap into the 1 minute and show a continuation higher, I have to pee now. I'm drinking too much water. And make a 1 minute SMT of this low, that's pretty strong. That means our more bearish index wants to come down, fill a gap, and continue higher out of it. This 5 minute closes in 2 minutes, so we get to see where we'll close in the 5 minute on NQ. It's a little bit sucky that my trade is actually playing out. And we're so deep in the 5 minute on NQ, I feel like regardless, we're gonna want to take it. Yo, I gotta pee real quick. Real quick. In my trip, 4 minutes deep. Okay, we inverted, so we have to watch. So this is like a retrace on the fiver on the fiver, but we did. I mean, this is a pretty big rejection right through that 5 minute gap, and we just invalidated SMT. So I mean, you could short this bitch. Some people would short this bitch right here. Like, some people would short this bitch right here. But, just saying, in my personal opinion, I think we're bullish. People would short this bitch right here. But, just saying, in my personal opinion, I think we're bullish. Okay, let's see. This 1 minute gap will determine everything. Everything. I mean, if we invert that 1 minute, that's like guaranteed bonds. Because we're retracing and then pricing the 5 minute high. But we're low-key trending down right now, so we'll just see. Let's see. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, dude. Yo, I think I'm wrong. 10 a.m. closes shortly. Man, we're still bullish on the hourly. I mean, we are so close to London lows that it's like, it is kind of crazy if you don't take them on one of the indexes. But I wouldn't say that's not a possibility. Seems like it's enough. Some days just don't feel right. Think I'm feeling. So this 5 minute left to reject pretty strong. It's for me to be like, okay. And sure, because I would prefer not to close below EQ at a minimum on the 5. Unless you want to make an SMT up this low. Seems I can't deny.
Seems I can't deny. Some days just don't feel right.
Think I'm feeling much better. And seems I can't deny. Some days just don't feel right. Damn. I mean, we held the EQ, which is fucking crazy. If we break on ES, yeah, I'm hammering logs. Should be like 4 lots. 4.64. It did come in that 1 minute gap. But bro, we held this EQ range well. No, not on ES, but still. I don't really like how we generated relative equal lows there either, but you know, dude, this is looking high, retrace, break back to the upside. There's no overextended conditions. It's not a late entry. We didn't take any draws, and it's not choppy. Oh, we did break. What is it? 6 lots. Yeah. I don't know. I'll wait for this gap to get inverse. I'm not gonna lie, just for extra confirmation. What was it? 5 lots. I look, he missed it a little bit, but we're still holding a 1 minute gap, so I'll just wait. You know, maybe get a better entry actually with some more confluence, maybe retracing a 1 minute gap. What was I talking about that distracted me? Oh yeah, the relative equal lows and holding the 5 minute. So yeah, I'm low-key, I'm fine waiting. These are some wide ass stops, I'm not gonna lie. because we're gonna inverse here, but not on ES. That's not what I don't like that. And we have this 5-minute internal high, which could send us lower. So there's a bunch of things that are just a little bit off, you know? Dude, what? Oh my god, what was it? Oh. No, it's definitely 4 to risk 1,000. And I'll just target TP. Okay, we didn't inverse there. I think I can move stops to the body. And set TP a bit higher here. I do want to tap into a 1-minute gap though. That would be like nice, you know? Or if we break to the downside, like, see, we're just gonna get such a shit fill because I waited. Jeez, dude, I fucked up by waiting. Now I'm just gonna wait even longer, and if we get a rejection out of the gap, I just don't like how ES is looking. It looks like a lot more bearish. We held a 1-minute gap. It just doesn't look great, you know? ES just really fucking me over, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I didn't, that's like, yeah, I missed what I said I wanted to take, but I don't think I would have taken it in retrospect. And I could, because I could have hammered it after that. I just don't like how ES is looking. I'm not gonna hold you. It just doesn't look too appealing, dude. We're kind of in this little range with relative equal lows, and I think we could definitely sweep and then continue higher. And that would bring NAS down, and I don't know how far down, you know? I definitely don't think it would come down all the way, but you know, could be room for better fills. So we'll just stay patient on this. Because like the indexes are actually dead ass opposites right now. Look, you gotta piss again, dude. What is this? You know, we technically made a 1-minute SMT that I didn't really see. I mean, I could set tighter stops on this. Because we made a 1-minute SMT up this low a while ago, and then if ES wants to close above all these highs, 326. 6 lots. Okay, this candle closes in 30 seconds. $362 now. 5.5 lots. I kind of just want wider stops. I don't know. Wrong fucking index, dude. There we go. CPA over 1500. Okay, so there the trade idea was we swept out this 1 minute low on one of the indexes that helped somehow, I fucking realized earlier, and then we broke it. And this looks great actually right now because we just took this 5 minute high and validating the bearish SMT. And then I'm just gonna go break even at this high. Target $1,500 day. Actually have to target a little bit more now that I fucking lost money. Well, stops are below the 5 minute gap that could get formed. So, oh, dude, hopefully we just start a rotation higher right now. Can't stand getting stopped, dude, again. Like, that would be fucking crazy. Can we please just close above this high? Please, dude. I gotta pee, but I don't want to leave in case we take this high. Dude. And my monitor just turned off somehow. I can still see it on OBS. I'm gonna go pee. It stops me out. That sucks. See, for me, I'm like good with emotions, not like touching the trade and shit, but when I'm like in a trade, dude, P&L really hits me. And I've lost so many trades recently, like, just really hope this one bangs, dude. How's the 5 minute looking? We just closed so far up, dude, on NAS. ES just doesn't, just hate the way ES looks right now. And it finally gave me a push higher, and oh man. I like the way NAS looks. ES, on the other hand, doesn't look that great. At all, actually. And the fact that we have all these stacked lows, I'm not a fan of that. If we inverse this 1 minute on ES, that'll make me a lot more confident. This 1 minute make me a lot more confident, but right now, I mean, we're closing so deep on ES, dude. I hate how this looks. ES looks like shit, dude. And it's the only reason is because of ES. Fuck me, dude. Genuinely fuck ES, dude. The way ES looks, dude, I literally said it worries me that we have all these stacked lows. If we don't take them, I would be shocked. And I would be happy, too. I'd be shocked and I'd be happy if we don't take them. If we invert this one on NAS, that looks better, too. I cannot believe the reversal price just showed. We didn't inverse the one, but we broke on ES is looking gay still. I want ES to close above these highs. If we close above those highs on ES, that will look beautiful. What sucks for me is that I can't take profits at this 5-minute high because there would just be no point for me. I mean, what would that be? A 0.65 if I took 50% off there. 0.650 over 2. 325 buckaroos. It's not gonna do anything for the account. Somehow. Hopefully we smack these highs. So I'm gonna go break even. Yeah. Okay, we're making relative equal highs with market openings. My friend took that exact trade I recorded a video for. We closed above the highs on ES. It looks, or no, we didn't, but I think we should smack these regardless, dude. That should be insane if we didn't. Then I would not be happy. Direct opposite. Come on, man. We tapped in the 5 on ENQ. We closed pretty much above the high. Let's just take these highs, please. Bah! Dude, all I wanna do is go break even. I'm not even taking profits here, dude. And if I would have entered the other trade, what, after the, I don't know, after the break? Would I have taken profits here? Yeah, would have. And today's probably going to be a break-even day regardless. It's the fact that we're taking so long to grab these frickin' highs. Even if I get stopped, dude, because it's not taking them right now. There's no way you price in relative equal highs like this. Don't take them, right? Once this goes the one color, take profits, and then equal highs on the S. Yeah, that's edging. Edging so hard. Thank you. Finally took them. Alright, boys. So that's full TP now. And what is that even aligned with? That's like a 15-minute gap or something, right? Like, this is not a straw at all. It would just be pushing higher for bullish momentum. So, it easily gets stopped at break even. Easily. It's not even like, we already took the strong draw, which was those relative equal highs. Now it's to the point where market, I wouldn't say we're necessarily overextended, but we definitely could use a retrace if we wanted to, so let's hopefully we react off this 1 minute gap and just close right above those highs after tapping into it. Okay, hopefully we close above these high. If we close above that high, we're looking super good. If we inverse this 1 minute gap, it's shit. We're getting stopped at break even if we invert that 1 minute gap. I wish I had some profits secured right now, but it's a funded. It's not even real money. So I'm just trying to pass. Well, it counts as a winning day at least. And it looks like we're getting stopped at break even, boys. So unfortunate. Stop to fucking break even. I'm down 50 cents on the day. Now I have to wait till Monday to fucking get at this shit again. So unfortunate, man. I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.